Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. I have been very busy. I mean, extremely very busy. I am very sorry. Oh, and also, I made a new progress. I think that we should restart, and I think that the restarting thing really helped. I would see which I would see which one it was. I've been doing a recording. You know, school started, and it's over the weekend right now, so pretty lucky to have that weekend. What? Oh no, it's not this world. What? Quit. Wait, yeah, profile. Sorry. I was about to quit the game. Wow, that suck. R. I think it was R. Oh man, I love seeing. It's freaking awesome. And yep, this is definitely the one. Doop boop boop. Well, here we go, starting off a new mission. I remember, guys, I've not made a video. This video is gonna be like an hour long. The fact that that's gonna be an hour. The fact that that's gonna be an hour long is because that's gonna be like a marathon. You know, a marathon. You know, they're pretty fun. If I'm wrong, post in the comments if I'm wrong. Like a Tokyo, and I barely just hit that car. That would have sucked. So we're nowhere near my destination. Obviously, because I just started. And looks like it's about to rain. And I hate the rain. Yeah, perfect. And I hate the rain because I can crash in the rain. Ow! Wait. Oh, 1% damage. I'm on my. Damn it. Yep, 1%. I'm on the truck itself and 1% on the trailer. It's alright. I can deal with that damage. Oh, so I'm not going for the repair shot over that small damage, but it's alright. It's alright. Yeah, well, I've been absent a lot. If I said the word correctly. Yeah, perfect. I don't care. You should also check out Space Explorer 137's channel. Pretty awesome channel, and Gatokio's, and Elise Arushka's channel. For right now, she has no videos right now, so you cannot subscribe. Whoa. Yeah, so you cannot subscribe right now. Yeah, but hopefully, she'll start making videos, and hopefully you guys all can subscribe. And it's obviously I need more subscribers too. Only guys, only if you want, guys. If you want to subscribe, please do. And if you don't, if you want to unsubscribe, then do what you have to do. And my truck's about to tip over. I think it's about to rain. I don't like it. I hate when stuff. I hate when stuff is about to look like it's about to rain. Whoa, those weird clouds over there. They look like beast. They look like freaking beast. Okay. Whoa. Holy crap, it's about to rain. Oh, what is all the percentages of that? Gameplay options. Wow, it's not that high. I did it on myself. Whoa! Wow, why did my truck shut off? What the hell's with that? That's about to rain. of course. And always when it's raining, always have your lights on. Oh, God! Good Lord! Don't do that! It's terrible. I don't want that. Good Lord, he cut me! What the? He cut me. Now he's going too slow. I better cut him. I better cut him off. I'll be back. I want to pass on this boring guy. He's taking way our time. For the hour marathon, I believe. Bye bye. See you guys when I cut this guy and start speeding up. It looks like he started out to speed up, so we're not gonna pass him. And my computer's lagging, but it's alright. I also got a new mic, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, this guy's... No, I'm not speeding. He's only going like... he's only going like 30 miles an hour. That's not that fast. Definitely not. Oh, and also I'll subscribe to... to the Syndicate Project. He's a very awesome zombie player. He's fantastic at zombie killing at meat sacks. Stop. Continuing. And I have Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 1, and I have a PS3. If you guys want to play with me online, the username is DannyBoy14. So if you guys want to join me, yeah. If we meet up. And the way if. I can't even say it correctly. So, oh crap! I'm pressing on the arrows. Now this guy's going slow. Oh, shh! Don't worry. There you go. Oh my God! That is probably the most extremely dangerous thing I've ever done in Euro Truck Simulator. That's freaking the most dangerous thing I've ever done. That's ridiculous. My truck would have broken down easily. With the other truck with the other truck coming around. Is that a tower? I can't see. Can I see it in the mirror? I can't. Oh, my computer stopped lagging, and now it is. I freaking jinxed myself. Should I pass this truck? No, it's too dangerous. Well, we're not gonna stop at a red light until like up forever. You guys, I just heard lightning out there. It's in the game, not in real life. Man, I want to pass this guy, but I can't. Well, I can, but I don't want to crash. I really do not want to crash. Okay, guys, I might need to eat my mac and cheese. I'll be right back. It's pretty hilarious that I need to eat mac and cheese, but I'll be right back. It's only gonna take one quick second now for you guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, we are back, and I've been gone for a pretty long time. So I've been waiting here. Oh, not actually waiting, but I've been eating. So now we're gonna be back into the game. Hopefully. So we're barely even there. Barely. I wish it would stop raining. Oh crap! Oh my god! Whoa! I am so sorry if I screamed in your ear. But crazy. I almost crashed into that truck. I mean that poor truck. That's literally gonna cut up. So nothing happening here. Still going straight. And we meet some traffic. Some small traffic that I do not like. I mean, I don't want to be stuck behind these two. I really don't. I do not want to be stuck behind these people. Do. I'm sorry. Whoa, I'm going out of bounds. Well, we're barely there. Actually, we are pretty close. Oh, an hour and 7 minutes to go. or 6. Oh! Slow down your headlights there. Man, I keep doing that noise. Whoa! Wow. This truck's going out of control here. Is there an exclamation for that? Or point? Is the engine okay? Okay, just time check. Come on, just time check. Well, do not know where the... Well, I do not know where the tires are. Oh, they're over there somewhere. Okay. Oh! Oh my god! That scared me to bits. I just want to go... Oh crap. Oh crap. I'm holding up traffic behind me. And I don't like when people are mad. So I'm just gonna speed up. Stop crashing. Hey, it's not my fault. Ooh, view. Awesome view. Oh god. Well, we're just cruising down at 50 miles an hour. And we're being awesome right now. We're being very awesome. Cruising down like we don't care. I just got Grand Theft Auto 5, and Grand Theft Auto 5 is a very great game. Maybe in the future I might upload us some Grand Theft Auto 5. And obviously also missions with it, obviously also. Or you guys do not want me to spoil it. So post in the comments. I don't care, I'm just going. Oh my god! What the? Really? 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Dude, I have no time. I have no time to play with you. Crap. Just tag it in. Wait. I'll be back on and have it covered. Oh, we're not doing so good. I don't think it's working too good. We're just relaxing in the truck like nothing's happening. Even now there's something happening over 5 million times, and our truck is sliding. Hopefully our truck does not tip over eventually. So, see you guys. Yeah, see you guys. But I'm not going to actually end the video. I'm going to make this. You little bastard. I'm going to make... I have found out a way to handle it. It's pretty easy. Wait, first of all, let's see. Yep, that's where we need to go. So, call the services. Easy. Easy as pie, guess. Don't worry. Enjoy the music. Hopefully you guys enjoy the music. You know? Enjoy. Hopefully you guys very enjoyed the music. I think it was epic. I think the freaking music was epic. Hooray! That's good. Choose your ability thingamajig. Good enough. Let's do one more. Since I'm it's like an hour. Since I'm it's like an hour marathon thingamajig. I'm thinking. Not bad. This one's good enough. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. I love this truck. I love this truck. This truck is amazing. What the hell did I hit? I hit another trailer. Huh, troll. Troll. Wow. What the hell is with invading and hitting other trailers? Gravity, be on my side. Oh, it's actually not gravity's fault. I don't know. Yeah. Truck, be on my side. You're not on the bad side. Stay intact. Man. Mm, um, it's nighttime out near me. Because I don't know. Well, we thought that. Well, at least thought that. At least thought that there's no school tomorrow. Ooh, that was close. Holy crap, that was very close. 2 hours later. Good. Perfect. I didn't explore much. I don't even know the whole entire map. I'm blowing it. I'm freaking blowing it. Well, why did you change lanes? There we go. There's traffic here anyway. So, post in comments. Oh. Crap. Yeah, post in the comments, have you ever crashed in your truck? Or you even have the game? Damn it. Is that the exact same car that I crashed and the stupid car flipped over? I'm mad at that car. I'm freaking mad at that car. Come on, bro. Oh, I'm blowing it. Actually, I can't blow it. How close I am? I can go closer. Damn it! I did it again. Never do that. Sponsored by Your Truck. He's gonna be alright. He's not gonna be alright. Go. Go. Oh, now he goes? He goes when I try to turn. Yeah, well, I don't care about that. He goes on when I try to turn and pass him. What a dingbat. Retarded. But it's also called game physics. You can't change anything about them. Or can you? Or can you? Guys, remember our last episode? And it was like the flying truck. It was actually not an actual flying truck. The detail I'm in the game, I was not. The detail I'm in the game itself, I was just not rendering. So that's why you saw the flying truck. I'm in the bridge. So I think that was episode 4, maybe even 5. I don't know if yeah. I definitely made an episode 4. I think it's episode 6 or 5. If you want to go check it out. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I was surprised at how to see a flying truck. No, don't drop that line. Sorry guys, I'm getting very tired. Yep, don't try. Stop driving on that murder white thing. And they're doing up construction work over here. That's great. Construction work. Keep working. I'm commanding you what to do. I'm your host. I am the vampire of this. I can tell you what people should I. Oh, you're trying to talk to me. That's not good. Not good at all. Really not good. Cutting is a bad thing. And I realize that there's and I realize that there's oh no! Wow. Just wow. That's the most wowiest thing I've ever seen. Just wow. I am definitely gonna watch my Well, I'll continue. I was about to say, I am definitely gonna watch my video again. I hit like the guardrail like those, the white things, and then I'm getting out of the truck. I did not stop automatically, and then I crashed in those, and then made my truck spin out. Okay, it made my truck spin out, and then I was trying to stop. Like I was pressing the down arrow, and I was trying to stop, and it barely stopped until and then I hit. I think I hit the tree, and then I was actually and I was still going. I don't think I'm gonna hit a tree though. Oh, but I'm just saying they might have hit a tree, and then I hit the invisible wall, and the invisible wall freaking saved my life. Thank you, invisible wall in games. Best thing. I just want to explore, but that's safe. I'd put freaking invisible wall. If that invisible wall was not there, I'd probably still be on the grass and probably still moving. I wouldn't actually, probably not still moving, but I'd probably crash into something else if there wasn't an invisible wall. Ooh, perfect view. Look at a gorgeous view. Ooh, that's also a good view too. Oh no! Shh! Don't worry, dude. I'm playing it safe. Actually, I'm not playing it safe at all. Where? Oh, I thought I'd not have my trailer. Man, that suck. That sucked the hell. I'm getting tired. I'm getting freaking tired. How long is this video has been going for? I do not know, but it's alright. Oh man, I should probably post this video tonight, maybe tomorrow. Obviously, it's gonna take a long time to upload anyway. So, obviously, it's gonna be possibly an hour, maybe an hour. Stop going on the white line, bro. Come on. Whoa, the red car is speeding. He's going like 70 miles an hour. Cop car. Any cop, guys. Someone call 911. That guy's speeding. Where the hell are the cops in this game? Why is there no goddamn cops in this game? Cops would be really helpful in this game. That red car was just speeding. And I mean actual speeding. He was going like 80 miles an hour. Come on. Oh my god. Cops should really be in this game. No, shh. Whoa. Hey. That's freaking BS. What? I didn't even hit you. You hit me. You hit me. Oh, where the hell's my stop? Here it is. No. You little bastards. Come on. Just let me go to my stop. God. This video is going to be entertaining. I want to watch. I think that this video is going to be entertaining like hell. People are going to be entertained for this video for years. Man, I swear. Go. Ugh. Well, I know horrible accidents, except the one the car flipped over and then truck went up. I don't get that. I really do not get that. The car would be totaled. Maybe my truck too, but I doubt my truck. but all I know is that the car would just be freaking totaled. Well, murdering continually. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. It's a new glitch. Alrighty, guys. One more time. Man. Oh my God. There you go. Can I just make my turn here? Come on, morons. Dude, you're dragging with me. Come on. I do not need you dragging with me. And I barely hit that car. I freaking barely hit that car. Go. I'm not playing any more games. Just come on. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I need to kill some zombies after this round. I need to kill some zombies after this game. After this video. Ugh. Good work. Awesome. Newbie. Man, I'm newbie. I'm newbie at this game, bro. Oh, let's do one more. Oh man, I'm getting tired. I should really go to bed. I think these last two ones. I gotta be this song. I don't know. This one. It's only quick ones. So I'm not stopping for nothing. I'm only stopping if a train's coming. Freaking lame. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Stops right here anyway. There we go. And well, we did good on this mission. Hopefully we do not go to Ash, because that's gonna... Oh my God! Excellent. Yay! Great! One quick one. No, I keep hitting that. This one. Guys. Yeah. This one is gonna be pretty long. So I'm gonna So I'm not. So I'm not gonna make like the whole entire video of me doing it. I'm gonna split half and half. Okay, here's how I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna split it this episode, and then I'm gonna split it next episode. So, so halfway through, through this is gonna be next episode, and next episode is probably gonna be possibly good. And sorry guys, but I need to go somewhere. I'll be right back pretty quickly. Pretty quickly, I believe. I am back. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm back. So, pass me, but I need to go. Not that way. Come on. I need to go someday. You know, I have a good idea. It's better than anybody else. Cut around. Cutting around's not... Cutting around a red light's not that illegal. Come on, it's nothing. They won't even pay a bill because they can't even see you. What's the point? They don't even know if it's illegal or not. They don't even know it's illegal. I mean, they don't even know if it's illegal or not. It's alright. It's easy enough. It's easy enough. I am getting tired like hell. Actually, I'm not that much tired anymore. For some reason. Yeah, I am. I'm not that much tired again. Oh, hay. Murder hay. That's what I like to call them. Murder hay. For no apparent reason. Because, yeah. Because I wanted to, so, and blinking lights. Better than that, I do not need to take that turn. That's a degree. No, I do not need that. And of course, the beautiful sunset at the end. Damn it, I'm yawning again. I hate yawning. And of course, the beautiful sunset. And some pretty flowers. Yeah, and some pretty flowers. So, post in the comments, how was your day? Or any day. It can be, if this video was made like a year ago, and you can probably still post in the comments on like, how's your day? Please do. And keep subscribing for, oh my god! Ah, man. Never talk and drive. No, I'm joking. Never text and drive. I never drink and drive. I never eat and drive. I never put no hands in the... I never have no hands and ran when driving in the steering wheels and turning on its own. Really? And this truck is bad stopping. It needs some more brakes. I'm just getting out some more gas. I'm just getting some more gas out for the next episode. There we go. And you want to sleep here? No, I'm not that bad. There's hardly anybody on the traffic. That's oh crap. That's the good news. Oh, and also another question. Another question for how do you make an edit video? How do you make like an edit video? I never made a video in my lifetime. You know, like you should check out Elisa's channel. She probably has no videos right now. I mean, she delete them all. But when she probably makes and edit a video, I tell her how to do it and tell me in the post in the comments how to do it too, so I can make a video, and I can make the edit a video for like who do you guys you guys are subscribed to, like that can be like on my edit video. So oh crap! I'm spinning out. I know. No, I'm not gonna cut through that glass. Grass. All my chocolates are gonna have some terrible times if I cut through that glass. So how far are we? Pretty far. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm afraid I might. I'm afraid I might have. Hey, guys, I'm afraid I have to end the video. Yeah. Oh, oh, okay. I can't hear myself. Then close my door. I need the iPad. Yeah, please. I'm in the middle. I'm making a video. So like, the headphones are. I can tell you. Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. I was being like loud, and then Mama came in the room. So, continuing. Yeah, I'm afraid I might need to end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. The video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more. But wait, I'm not gonna say bye yet. The reason why I want to stop the video because like I thought that we would start like 100. So and we can do the rest. Oh, and it counts down to the 90. 92. Wait, 92. 91. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a video like and subscribe for more videos. And please subscribe. I know I was very busy. Bye-bye. Post in the comments for more games I should play. And I already know. Subscribe. Bye-bye.